Zaf Travel by Qatar. I'm here in Windham Doha West Bay to check their new facilities here. Let's check it out. This is a pool area. So nice. This is the pool view area. They have a weekend day pass. Madam, how much?
So buy one and get one free for 200.
Buy one, get one free for 200, and ladies day for
Every Monday and Wednesday for 125.
every
120.
125.
Every Monday and Wednesday.
Monday and Wednesday for ladies.
From 9 to 6.
From 9 to 6. Okay, madam. This one, jacuzzi, no? Jacuzzi. There's another one there.
Dynamic pool with the waving.
Dynamic pool.
And have our indoor pool.
Way to indoor pool and changing room. Here. Oh, so nice. Wow. So nice.
Inside you have the jacuzzi sauna.
Jacuzzi here. There's a bubbles, but no one here. Beach. Where's the shower room? This one. It's a free sauna if you have a weekend pool pass.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the toilet. Ang cute. Bedroom. And the view. Wow, so nice. Kitchen. For laundry, madam, for check-in, this one free for laundry. They can cook here. They can.
It's an apartment. Fully furnished.
Wow. We'll check the sea view again. What floor is this, madam? 30. 30. Wow. 30th floor. So if you're planning for apartment type, this one is perfect. It has kitchen, it has washing machine, you can cook, microwave also. There's a fridge. It's complete. Now, room type. The end 13. 13th floor. This is the toilet. Ah, it has bathtub. Twin room, madam, no?
Yeah.
What is the view here? Let us check what's the view. Still nice. The city view. What's inside there, madam? No?
Connected
Ah,
to the kings.
okay. Their specialty. This one is, sir,
The blue lemonade.
Blue taste. So tasty and fresh. They have also cookies, chocolate, white chocolate, and chocolate chip cookies. It's chewy. It's not hard, so it means it's so fresh. All are soft, very delicious. This one is their specialty coffee, iced Spanish latte. Iced Spanish latte is coffee and milk, sir.
Actually, ma'am, no. There are people who are using condensed milk. There are people who's using full cream milk. But it depends also upon the beans. Most of them are using market beans, but here we're using specialty beans.
Okay. Oh, so tasty! Super delicious, sir.
Thank you.
For
Thank
the
you.
nice coffee.
Welcome, ma'am.